I grew a brand new business from 0 to over 1,000 leads in less than 30 days. And the crazy thing is that we've used this strategy across 5 different businesses and have in total generated, as you can see here, tens of thousands of leads. And most gurus tell you
that it takes 1 to 2 years and spending tens of thousands of dollars
in order to accomplish this. And this maybe used to be true years ago, back when people didn't know how to actually hack and grow in this current digital marketing and business environment. But in 2024, there is a new type of lead generation that is taking the world by storm. And if you can follow exactly what I'm about to show you, you are going to be able to grow your business very fast. And no, it's not going to take you a bunch of hard work and a ton of money. All you have to do is follow a very simple strategy I'm about to show you right now for free, so you can apply the strategy to your business and get more leads. And maybe you'll be seeing results just like we did right here. So to actually get your first 1,000 leads towards and for your business right now, you need a lot of views. You need a lot of traffic and a lot of people coming through your doors. Here's the first strategy I used that got me over 40,000 podcast listens and hundreds of thousands of people seeing my face, my brand, and my business. So my friend, what you want to do is go to the site podmatch.com, and you can go directly to it using my affiliate link if you want by going to the link in the description of this video. Once you sign up, which takes less than 30 seconds, all you need to do is go to your dashboard, fill out your information that you'll be presented with, click on matches, and you can automatically match with podcasts, have thousands and tens of thousands of people following and thousands of downloads per episode. Click on message, type in a message saying that, hey, I would love to collaborate and be featured on your podcast. Let's work together. Hit submit. And over time, as you match with more and more different podcasts, you'll be able to be featured on and be seen by tens of thousands and eventually hundreds of thousands of people just like I have. This right here is a lot of leads and a lot of customers in sales without having to do very much work. And if you copy now the second strategy I'm using and have used for years, it's proven to work. You'll see how my content went from getting 20 views or 50 views to tens of thousands and millions of views overnight. All you have to do is study my YouTube channel and take a look at the videos that get 3,000, 2,000, and in some cases, just like right here, 67,000 views. And look at the ones that don't. Ones that get 500, ones that get 166, ones that get 100 or 200 or 100 or less. And the majority of the time, you'll find that the videos that you do yourself initially with any piece of content on any platform will not do very well. But if you want to literally get thousands of views and generate, this video right here with 67,000 views got me over 50 subscribers just from this one YouTube short. Instead of duds like the mine 39 view video right here, all you literally have to do is go to TikTok or other platforms, screen record with your phone or on your computer the videos that are viral, just like this one was, that have a minimum of 1 million views. At the very end of them, just like I do here, simply add a 3-second or 5-second snippet, either of you or someone else talking, saying something about it, and that's literally it. Cut those two together, and you have an instantly viral video that gets thousands, or in some cases, tens of thousands of views, with literally maybe 5 minutes of work. These views then generate people to take a look at your profile, like Profilize.com, your banners, your imagery, and links in the description of your videos. Now there's one final easy method that you can use to literally get thousands, maybe even tens of thousands of leads and potential customers with a single click of a button. This is literally true. Just watch this right now. Okay, so literally all you have to do is look up any lead scraping tool, such as Apollo.io, or another one called Lead Scrape. And with either of these, all you have to do is once you pay, which Apollo.io is, you have a free version and a $49 version. Choose one of these, the $79 version. All you have to do is pay, join, and you can immediately start generating instant leads. Instant leads, and you can follow up with the leads from your own back office and manage them. It's literally that easy. You can sign up for free, test it out, or spend money if you feel like it. But Apollo, LeadScrape, and many other of these services allow you to literally go ahead and immediately start contacting leads. All you have to do is pay a little bit of money and you are good to go. This is a very great service that I'm actually going to start using immediately to see how well it performs. And you'll want to jump onto Apollo or one of these other resources before other people do, because It's better to use a trend while it's starting versus at the end of it. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe what you thought of it. Let me know how these methods turn out for you. Make sure to hit the notification bell. And as well, if you want to learn more about how to either start your own business or grow your own business, go ahead and head over to profitalize.com, which is my company where I teach people how to start and grow their own business, generate leads, turn those leads to customers, and scale their businesses to possibly be able to earn, $10,000, $100,000, or maybe even $1 million a month. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you in another video very soon. Go ahead and watch another one.